Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hero Life. My name is Paulie. Today, we want to talk about the fact that every single one of us in this world have 24 hours a day. It's
True.
just the world that we live in. But we choose to prioritize different things in these 24 hours. Some choose to prioritize sleep, others choose to prioritize gaming. Others choose to prioritize drinking and faffing about. And there are so many different ways that you can go about prioritization when it comes to the world that we live in. But this is where establishing a really great set of goals, long-term and medium-term, even short-term goals, to be able to really kind of create these stepping stones to know that you're on course when it comes to your health. And at Hero, we always encourage our dads to be able to establish a tangible goal because it gives them focus and it helps provide a priority, really provide a sense of kind of filter when it comes to them establishing their weeks and their days and saying, right, I've kind of nominated this as a priority in my life. And there are only so many things I can do within this 24 hours, so something may have to give. Have you had an experience of that when it comes to prioritizing certain things in your lifetime?
Well, one thing that I'm really conscious of is having a kit in my car that has swimming gear, running gear, and training gear with me, because I have lofty priorities and ambitions when it comes to training. But of course, life is unpredictable and there are commitments that need to be met. And at the same time, sometimes magically a short period of time opens up where something can be done. So I think having a kit available means that we can always get the work done if we need and if it's possible. And one of our clients who's a policeman, who I'm in touch with at the moment, who has a newborn and second child and sleep deprivation and busy work life. We've just been talking about batch cooking. We've been talking about having the kit available and just making there no obstacle in the way. And of course, there are countless obstacles in the way, but there is this magic of just being ready when time opens up. And so that's what we're trying to empower within our client base, that, it's like great to have these priorities. It's great to have goals, but it's always one moment at a time and one day at a time. And just to be ready is just like one of the great kind of hacks and tactics that we love to share with our clients, because we just never know on the road. All of a sudden we see a calisthenics park, we see an open stretch to go for a run, and we've got the kit with us and there is this time to prioritize it. You just do it because that's the invitation that's been offered. So we just got to start thinking and opening up our mind to what's possible with the use of our time.
Yeah, look, I'll use an example that I've had in my own life, and that's, we were referencing running a while back, and running's been something that I've been really taking hold of recently, and I've been doing a lot of that where I work, but not where I live. And I took it upon myself to keep a pair of running shoes at both my house and my office, because I found myself in so many situations where I was at home and I was like, oh God, it would be so great if I could just get a cheeky 25-minute run in here, but having to go pick it up, this and that. It's about setting up your environment. We talk about this in avoiding negative environments as well. Creating a positive environment, an environment where it makes life easy for you to give to yourself in a positive way. And this is just a simple example of being able to do that.
Yeah, I also just think the importance of spending time with our kids is like the number one priority for me. And I just noticed that when I'm with them, there is so much opportunity to train. And I do a lot of yoga in the presence of my kids. I do, my daughter Lula, who will be climbing on the little climber that we've got, she'll say to me, Dad, I do push-ups over here. And the fact that she even knows like push-ups to say that, because she knows that that's part of like my morning routine when I'm with her, she's involved in it. She's learning all the time, and she wants me to do it in the space that she's designed for me to do it as well. So there is this power of doing training, stretching, mobility, yoga, I mean, whatever it is, while our kids are present, and as a family. And there's so much, you know, content and great media out there of doing that, and the impact that that has, that, you know, it's just like to look at your lifestyle and see that, you know, maybe it's possible that in the morning when you're with your kids that you prioritize just getting active, and just see what that does for you, but also what that does for the family as well.
Absolutely. I mean, I've loved teaching my daughter Edie how to do a forward judo roll, and you know, in a number of different ways, and she's just kind of taken that on and just like absolutely nailed it now. And she just, you know, when she sees me now, she just loves showing it to me and just asking me how to do other things through gymnastics lens, and it's just bloody awesome.
Yeah.
It really is.
Yeah. So, I mean, this is all about, you know, looking after our minds and bodies, but also being great family people. And so if you can combine it all, I mean, everyone's winning.
It's total win everywhere. Thanks, guys.
Thanks, everyone.